Hey everyone, welcome back to our Hitman Gaming channel. Today we are doing something different, an unboxing and review of our Gaiatop 6.5-inch table fan. So this is a compact USB powered fan, perfect for tabletop desk, beside your laptop or desktop, or beside even your gaming setup. So I will unbox it. Let's test it out and I will give you my honest review on it. So let's get started. So I will now unbox it. So you have looked, here's the box. It's pretty compact. On the front we have seen the fan's image, and at the side there is nothing, and at the back there is also nothing much. So now let's open it up. And inside we have I think this is a stand. Our main unit, the fan, in a anti-static wrap, and also there is a user manual which have multiple language. I think no, English only. Yes, this is English only, and you can see the specification about it. You can pause it and see the specifications. I know no one gonna read the manual, so I have saw it. Now let's open up the fan. It's very lightweight. So let's talk about the design and features that we have. Before that, this is a stand, and the stand also have some specification on it. It's at 5V DC, USB powered, obviously made in China. This is a fan. It has some 90-degree adjustment. Yeah, it's only 90-degree. It have a speed control and on off button, and at the first time when you press the button it will be on low setting, then it will be on medium setting, then it will be higher setting. And if you using 2 ampere power socket or 2 ampere your power bank, then if you after high, if you press that button 3 second, press and hold, it will be on higher setting, that will be strong setting. So let's connect it on stand. It looks nice. It's anti-skid. It's not slip. It's feels very sturdy. The product is good. Now let's check the performance of it. Before that, let's untangle the wire. It's a very good length. We can now measure it out. The measurement of the fan is almost, yeah, it's 6.5 inch, and the blades are, I think, almost 5 inches. Sorry. And the cable length is, it's 59 inches, so almost 5 feet. You got the cable, or 1.5 meters, I hope. So let's check the performance. Let's power it up and see how it performs. So I have one power bank with me. I connect it. This is a MI 10,000 milliampere hour power bank. At the first setting, it is the low. You can see the plastic. It's almost flying. This is the second. That was the second, sorry. It is the first. It is second. It is third. And now it is the turbo mode. Oops. It feels very good. For one person, it's very good and reliable. It have a indication LED for that. It's 1, 2, 3. Turbo mode and off. You can use a ace hook to hold it like this on your window or something else. This is very powerful and feels good. It have one BLDC fan, a BLDC motor, sorry, and it's very easy to clean also. Like, just hold it like that, twist it, and it will out like that. It's very easy. You can see the BLDC motor on it. It's very easy to clean, and to close it up, that is the same. Like this, there is also indication mark. Now twist it. This. Now it is locked. And the best part is it's not too noisy. You can use it for your personal purposes. If you are a college student and lives in a mess or hostel, you can use it. If you are a bachelor and lives your own in a single room, you can use it. It's very good. And let's talk about its pros and cons. So pros is like it's very compact and lightweight. It's USB powered and portable. As I mentioned, it has adjustable head, strong airflow. Also, it's very quiet, very quiet. It's very less noisy. and it have smooth operations, and it's very easy to clean also. And now talk about the cons, that it don't have any rechargeable battery. If the company put a 3000 mAh or 4000 mAh or even 2000 mAh battery, it will be very helpful for uninterrupted power, for uninterrupted operation. So my final verdict is, it's overall a great budget friendly option to buy. It's not that much big or bulky. It have some very good features. It's good for personal cooling, perfectly for your work desk or desktop, or even gaming setup. It's good for traveling purpose also, because it's very thin. Let's measure it out too. It's almost 2 inches with the motor also. And now let's talk about the price. The price of this fan is 800 rupees. I ordered it from Amazon. The packaging was very good and the product's condition is very good. See, there is nothing broken, nothing damage on the box also. The box is in very good condition. So you can consider this fan for 800 rupees in this summer. It will be very helpful for you. If you're looking for any portable table fan, you can consider this. You would not regret about the purchase. So if you found this review helpful, please hit like, subscribe and comment below. If you have any comment or questions, please do write in comment section. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.